Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Deutsch again, and welcome back to my home. We are getting ready for this week's Read Aloud. So I hope you had a good weekend and you've got your listening ears on. This week we're going to read a Pete the Cat story, and it's Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses, written by, which means the author, Kimberly and James Dean. Okay? And James Dean also did the pictures for the story. He's the illustrator. Remember, we're reading from the front of the book, and we're reading left to right. Okay? So we have the title page. And then we're going to start the book. He doesn't look very happy, does he? Well, let's see. Pete the Cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. Here's Pete the Cat. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. He says, "Right on. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right." Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool, blue, magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." And squirrels eat acorns. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. "Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right." Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am all upside down today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses." And what do you think they do? Remember? They help you see things in a whole new way. Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Far out! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." You see that? And here's Alligator. Pete said, "Try these, what? Cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way. Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses, and looked all around. Rockin'. These birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh, Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise old owl said, Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day. Pete looked around without his sunglasses. Too cool. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. We're feeling all right. So we got the whole gang here. And Pete the cat goes rolling along. The end. Okay, so if you're feeling frustrated, mad, grumpy, sad, change that. Okay, it's all inside you. It's in your attitude, in your head. Just change things and look at it differently. Okay, instead of being all sad, look for something that makes you happy. There's this particular song that makes you happy, put on that song and sing along with it. If you like to dance, dance around the whole house. Whatever makes you feel better. So talk to your parents and tell you, and you can record this if you want. Who is the main character in the story? Okay. And I'll see if you're right. Then there's some other characters that are not quite as strong as Pete the cat. But tell me some of the other characters in the story. Okay. What were some of the problems in the story? Okay. And what did they need to do to fix those problems? Okay. Try to record yourself. Listen to this and try to record yourself answering those questions. All right. Have a good day, and I will see you soon. Take care. Mwah.